Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your email sequence and your get response. Okay, so please be with me, watch this video, and then you'll get a lot of value. So first what we have to do, we have to go for the get response. When you signed up with your get response autoresponder, okay, then you'll see that this page. Okay, and what we have to do today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email sequence. Mostly I promote the legendary marketer, so I have already the PDF, so I will show you very fast how to do that, and that PDF I will link down below, so you have all the access for the 7 to 8 days uh, that PDF. Okay, so what here we will do that, let me show you. So what you have to do that first, if you are already make the opt-in page or the bridge page and everything, you already make it. Okay, so this is like my landing page, so I create the landing page here. I already make one videos about the get response landing page, so you can find it on my YouTube channel. So let me take you there, so you'll have idea what to do. So once you go to my YouTube channel, you will see that uh, my main page. Okay, and on my main page I'll show you guys. So here you can see that that is get response landing page. I already explain you guys here to how to make it this one. Okay, so you'll have idea how to make it the landing page in get response. I mean, a lot of people, the ClickFunnels is good, but it's expensive. So that's why I create something with the get response, so it will be a little bit cheaper. But still, if you can afford the get response, I will highly suggest you go for that. Or there's a lot of things are there, sales funnels in the market. Okay, so here, once you're done here, okay, then you'll see that the autoresponder here. So we are going to set up the autoresponder today. So you click to the autoresponder, and my autoresponder is set for the like more than 1 month, more than 2 months, I think. Yeah, so look at this is my autoresponder. So I'm going to teach you one thing, okay, and you will see that here. All right, so it's taking a little bit time, but you will see that. um, Let it open this all these things, and then okay, so this is my autoresponder, you can see that. Okay, and first thing is like, let me introduce myself or something like that. So what you have to do, you have to create the autoresponder. I mean, I already create mine, but I'm going to show you guys create autoresponder. And when they will ask like, okay, this the autoresponder is this one. Okay, it will look like that. Okay, and then this one, what you have to do, untitled autoresponder. So I have the PDF here. Okay, I have the PDF here. This one is like a Brian Brewer, he give us like a email sequence. If you want to write it yourself, it's good, it's very good. You need a copywriter, but I'm not good with that, so I just took it from him. Okay, so once people they give you the name and email. Okay, and after that, this message it will go to them. Okay, autoresponder. Okay, so what I have to do, first I need to copy this subject line. So I copy this subject line, and I post it here. Okay, uh, let me introduce myself, and you can see that here. uh, this name will appear on the list of your messages, only you will see that. Okay, so this is like a day one. You can, whenever you want to say, after day one, day two, 3, day 3, anything you change, but I keep it like a, once people they give their name and email, right away this message it will go to them. Okay, so let me show you that one also, you'll have the idea. So this is my opt-in page. Okay, so once you give your name and email here, okay, and then it will send you one message and it will say, hey, let me introduce myself. So you can see that day one, day zero, like once they give name and email here, and same time it will go one message, it will say let me introduce myself. You can keep this one same time as sign up. Okay, there's nothing difference. All right, so after that, this same time as a sign up, once they signed up, and it will go message to them. Okay, allow the message to be sent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I just checked in all. If you don't like, you can just you can do that. Okay, so here is the your email address. Okay, this is supposed to be a professional email address, and you should have the professional email address. Okay, if not, then go to the namecheap.com, buy some professional email and domains. Okay, so yeah, and the subject line, what I have to do, subject line here also, subject line, uh, sorry, let me introduce myself. Okay, you can put the emoji or anything, like a smile or something, anything, you know so let's see that, like anything like that, any smiley or anything, you can put it there. All right, after that what we have to see, we have to design the message. Okay, so we'll go here and we'll design the message. Okay, so I think you can choose the blank template. So you choose the blank template here, blank template, and you can go for here, use template, this one. All right, so you'll see that here this logo we need to delete. If you have the logo, you can put it. The logo is like anything, your brand or something, you can put. But if you don't, then just delete it. And here is the show view link. I think you can, um, and so logo is gone. All right, and after that we'll come to the layout, and we will put the text, because we are going to put text here. Text here. All right, text here, and then we have to write this one. So what I will go here, and this is only for the legendary marketer. So you can do anything whatever you want, but this is the same process for every company. If you have the email swipe, you can do that. So what we have to do, we have to copy from here. Okay, I'm copying this one, and sorry, just copy, and then I'll do it paste here, because this email strategy is already proven. It's working for a lot of people. Okay, so people, they are making tons of money with this email swipe. So if something is there, and then like literally, if something is there, you can select this one. You want to make a little bit bigger, you can make the 16, it will be a little bit bigger, or like you can keep like a 14. All right, so this is look like that. Okay, so I think I didn't select all. It's supposed to be all, you know it's supposed to be all. So let me select all here. All here. Might be it will be long videos, I don't know how long it will take, but it's end of the day, it's worth it. Okay, so 16 for everything. Now that's a little bit bigger. Okay, 14, I will go for that, 14. All right, so you can see that here the email sequence is ready. What we have to do, I have to click it here. Okay, here, and put the enter, so it will go a little bit down. All right, so here what I have to do, um, uh, you can see that, like you can put the first name or something like that, first name. When they will give you your name here and email, it will go like a name, hey, like a hey. Okay, hey, first name, like a first name. Let me see, where is that? Okay, so you can see that here once you click this main icon. Okay, you will see that here all the things. So what I will take it from here. First name, I will take hey first name, like a hey RJ. Hopefully you have the had chance to watch the Dave videos and this all things, and you read this message, and then what you need to watch again, click the back link. So what I have to go in Legendary Marketer. Okay, and I will log in, and I will go to my account, affiliates. All right, and you'll see that the funnels. After that funnels, I will go to the business black. I like the business black one, and you'll see that affiliate links. So you just click it, the affiliate link here, and then you scroll all the way down, and just copy this sales page. All right, once you copy it, come to your email marketing, this thing, and this one you have to paste it. You the red thing, you have to delete it. Okay, so uh, sorry, um, the red thing I have to delete, so it's deleted. What you have to do, that deleted, and then I need to select this one. All right, once you select this one, okay, uh, it will say insert link. So you click it here, it will go uh, here. My id is here, you paste it here, your link, and insert. It means now it's ready, this things is ready. Okay, hi, my name is you can put your name. Okay, so um, RJ, mm, RJ. You can put the black, like I don't know why it's looking red, but you can literally go here, and this one you can put it black, so it will be black. Okay, and then hi, my name is Ajay, got enough lead marketing most people like, and orders and less bias and ability. See it right here is a quick story being overlooked or underpaid or something that you wanted to change the create. Okay, and share a quick story, so you can write it like anything. So my excuse me, my story is like I was working in the hospitality industry, hotel and restaurant. So I can write something about the hotel industries, like hey, I was working in the hotel industry, and you can write it anything about your story. Okay, I was getting burnout because I was working 60 70 hours, and I was burnout, and then I needed to solution fast, and then insert your pictures of showing something good. If you don't have pictures, it's fine. Okay, whatever the difference makes you. Okay, and that thing, it's your part, so you have to fix it. Okay, the red thing, you have to watch it. All right, this all the red thing. Okay, and after that, I'm pretty average guy or girl, whatever you are. Okay, guy or girl, just fix it. This one, where are you from? So I'm here, Washington PS. You can change it, this one. Okay, all right, this one, and then here, sign up with the Legendary Market. Again, you have to um, delete that thing. Okay, and then this sign up things, you just mark it. Okay, select it, it will come here, and put your sorry, this URL link, you delete it and put it your link here, this one, and update it. Okay, and cheers your name. All right, once everything is ready here, what you have to do, you can send text message to your cell phone or any Gmail. Okay, send test me how it looks. Always do testing before saying anything. Okay, and we'll go to the next page. Okay, once you go to the next page, you'll see this one. All right, so looks good. Your message is chips spam check, you are good to go, and send test message to contact your professional email or any Gmail you have. You can send it and look that like your link is working or not. Once you do that, you are good to go, and you can say save and publish. All right, so you can save and publish, and it will connect to your autoresponder. if some reason you think that hey you did not understand. So this one, the first email is done. After that you have here, it's like the second days, so second days emails here. I will link down below. So this is the second email. Okay, then you have to fix it. This one you have to insert your link here. All right, so third day also. Third day is like once you go here, you know autoresponder. So that was the first day, you created autoresponder first day. And this is like I have the two, I make already two. So once you go here, the first day you already make it. After that, don't make one day. After that you can make it the second day, after the fourth day, after the sixth day. So this is all the email sequence: third day, fourth day, and fifth days, or 6 days, and 7 days, and 8 days. Okay, 8 days email sequence you have it, and you can write it yourself. It all depends upon you. Okay, and then what you have to do here, then second day same thing you have to do. Fourth day same thing you have to do, like this all the you have to copy second day and third day and put it there, put your link there, right? And then you're ready to go. And then if you have any problem, here the chat 24 into 7, they will help you, or reach me out, I will help you also. So chat with me. This thing is going to, oh, they're gonna help you for everything. Okay, whatever you don't understand anything, they're gonna help you. And this is the easiest way. They have the automation also, like this automation things are really good. If you like to do that, like somebody is like a jump on your name and email and they purchase something, your email, it will stop going to them. Okay, and if somebody they didn't purchase it, they will go email, it will go. So this is the cool stuff. If you learn, this is called email marketing. If you learn, you'll make a lot of money, guys. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. Okay, and if you guys have anything, just reach me out, or reach the chat 24 into 7, reach out them, and they will help you to fix everything. All right, in this videos, I hope it makes sense to you guys. If you like my videos, smash the like button, subscribe my channel, because I'm going to teach you guys a lot of things about the affiliate marketing and how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So you guys learn it. Okay, all right, bye for now, guys.